clear to enter. Welcome to Pizza Planet.
Sheriff! There you are. Now the entrance is heavily guarded. We need a way to get inside. Great idea, Woody. I like your thinking.
You are clear to enter. Welcome to Pizza Planet.
Quickly, Sheriff! The airlock is closing. What a spaceport! Good work, Woody.
Mom, can I play black hole? Please, please, please.
Andy! Now we need to find a ship that's heading for Sector 12.
Wait a minute, no, Buzz, this way. There's a special ship, I just saw it.
You mean it has hyperdrive?
Hyperactive hyperdrive. And turf.
Where is it? I don't see it. Come on, that's it.
Spaceship! All right, Buzz, get ready. And...
Universe explode.
Okay, Buzz, when I say go, we're gonna jump in the basket. Buzz! No! This cannot be happening to me.
Stranger from the outside.
Greetings. I am Buzz Lightyear. I come in peace.
Re-energize yourself with a slice of pepperoni. Now boarding Chowder 3.
This is an intergalactic emergency. I need to commandeer your vessel to Sector 12. Who's in charge here?
Claw is our master. Claw chooses who will go and who will stay.
Ludicrous.
Hey, Bozo, you got a brain?
Oh, no! Sid! Get down!
What's gotten in you, Sheriff?
You are the one that decided to climb into this.
Claw. It moves. I have been chosen. Farewell, my friends. I go on to a better place.
Gotcha. A Buzz Lightyear? No way! Yes!
He has been chosen.
What are you doing? Stop it! Stop again, Alex!
All right, double prizes! Let's go home and play.